Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get this lava road in Fish It. So this is one of the best early game roads because it's 100% free and give you a massive boost to your weight capacity and luck. So if you're new to Fish It, here I'm going to show you how you can get this road. So first you just need to go to the Kohana Islands like I do in here. I've already on Kohana Island, and then you just need to go to the Kohana Volcano. So just go straight from here and then let's cross the water, go inside, and you'll be arrive in the volcano. Okay, Kohana Volcano, and this is where you can get the lava road. You need to go and find the fisherman is in here, the lava fisherman. So you just cross this and then go up and talk to the lava fisherman, this one in here. So once you talk to him, you'll immediately get the lava road like this. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.